He made it through the night, guys. We've got him good with grappling onto branches and stuff. Crap ton of crickets this man has eaten. But go on the stick. Pretty one on stick. Yes. Grappling on there real good, bud. He started flapping his wings and stuff too. We don't know if he's gonna start flying here in a few days, but we don't even know if it's a boy or a girl yet. It's very, very, very confusing. So yeah. He made it through the night, but he also did try to get eaten by a cat last night. He's always hungry.
Called him BJ.
Yep, we named him BJ. No matter how much we feed him, he still wants more.
We don't want to overfeed him though.
Overall, we've given him around almost 90 crickets.
Probably. But not in one day, don't worry.
But yeah, it's kind of scary to watch this man stand up sometimes because he's so long.
Look at these legs, ready?
They're
long legs.
Yes.
Especially for a blue jay.
Yeah. But he's pretty. He's got some really cool looking wings. So yeah, bye. Part 2.